These tricks are so incredible, it seems as if these people have superpowers. However, luck plays its part. We're ready to begin, and we hope you're just as ready to watch. What's that can doing there? He jumped from the height of 12,000 feet to do this. And this is a 140-mile-per-hour strike. And here's a slam dunk Canadian style. This boy is doing some absolutely incredible things. That was his plan all along, right?
Nice.
If you ever struggle to open a bottle of beer, give this guy a call. How is this even possible? Check out what this archer's capable of. And that's not all. And this is some unreal level of ability to handle the ball. We wonder, how did he get out of the basket? And this is my favorite moment. Do you want to know how to steal someone's beer and get away with it? Usually Paul Pogba has great control of the ball, but not today.
Close. Mentally, we.
Check out what a piece of wood can turn into in the hands of a skilled person. When you only play for 5 seconds. Playing pool, level 10 million. This is why grandkids love their walks with Grandpa. And here's another way to open a beer. Now that's how you drive a forklift. Check out what this guy can do on water when many people struggle to do push-ups on the floor. We don't know how many tries it took to capture this moment, but you've got to agree it looks impressive. If you have too much time on your hands, you can try to master this trick. I think we could all benefit from this guy's skill.
Over the house frisbee shot.
Oh! Fortunately, no windows were broken.
It actually went in.
And this is the 100 millionth method of solving a Rubik's Cube. Just let it sink in how much power is in his blow. And here is the master of bluff. What do you think? Is this fake or not? Whoa, hang on. Are we allowed to do this? Lost a wheel while cycling? Pfft, won't stop this guy. When you're a watermelon vendor, but your soul is longing for something else.
Get off of my car!
And this hawk is so cool, he called himself an Uber.
Oh my god! Are we giving him a ride?
Hurry up! We hope at the very least he gave them a 5-star rating.
God!
The parts of eastern England with cloudy
Llanfairpwllgwyngyll. Can you pick up?
at RAF Mona, just up the road from Llanfair Pwllgwyngyll to go get a Quindrobwll, Llantysilio go go go.
Thanks, bro. Oh, thug life. And now the police are finally here. And this is Rocket League in real life. This girl can walk underwater upside down. Who needs a sports car when you have a tractor like that? And here's what this guy is capable of. Watch how quickly and precisely this girl shoots. And with a shooter like this, being a target is not so scary. And this is a bonus. Check out these amazing jumps into a pit. This guy is clearly very good at estimating distance. The goal was just unreal. And for this archer, it wasn't enough to shoot into the center of the target. He shot an arrow through the center of his own arrow. It looks like this guy manipulates the pool balls with the power of his mind. How else do you explain it? And this archer can catch a ring with his arrow. When a professional steps on a skateboard. Now, that's simply a pleasure to watch. Not a bad punching bag to work on your power. She can draw a perfect circle. And this is a 264-foot fiberglass sculpture in the river running through the city of Bilbao. Imagine being one of its residents, accidentally seeing it in the morning. Check out how synchronized are these Brazilian cadets from the military academy marching during a graduation parade. And this truck driver drives just as well as professional race drivers. And this is work of Chinese photography artist Zhao Bingding.